Okay, we're gonna give this one more coat, and hopefully it feels like perfection, feels like glass. Recording. So we'll give it one more good coat, and make sure we'll pull that down over that metal, just because I'm gonna spray over there. So here we go. Okay. Wonder, this looks like it's got some kind of weird stuff on it. Sometimes people go in and...
Yeah, somebody touched this up one time. This little spot right here. We figured that out. Somebody did some touch up on that one time.
Yeah, it's got some water base. We'll dry coat that a little more. Yeah, up there looks good. Yep. These end panels look good.
Yeah.
There's still a little wax here.
Really?
Yep. So I'll just show you how you do this one. Feel on the top. So you just go like this. Lock it in. And then if it's real bad, sometimes you just gotta leave it overnight. Yeah, well, let me show you something. Come on over on that. Now it's kind of drying over. Give it those light coats. Dry. And that'll sort of lock it in. So we just had some trouble areas, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
This is good. Are these good now? Those feel good now? Do you feel them?
Still pack it, I want to pack it.
Okay.
Still pack it. They look good.
So then just putting some air to it with that thing.
You can also run lunch and let this dry. Okay, that looks good. How about these end panels? How about under there?
Still wet.
So what we have on here is some water base or something. You can see it coming off.
Pre-washing the lacquer thinner.
Yep.
It looked like a beeswax thin layer over the top of the upper part is what it looked like.
Okay, so we're just spraying these. Yeah, that feels good. Feel here. For that. And then you can wet that with a little bit of mineral. We're probably right about there. We got that mineral spirits in a clean rag. Where's that mineral? Oh, there it is. Look at them both wet.
Okay.
We gotta go darker.
A little darker.
A little bit.
I love it.
I like it like that.
I do too.
You do?
But my wife's not gonna like it.
You know what? We should
much
let her look
dark.
because we can go dark. We can show her this one and show her this one. I'll go just a
I
hair
like
dark.
that.
I do too because you can see how beautiful it is.
Yeah, you get all the grain and everything.
Oh yeah. You see when you put that with no light, look at that. That doesn't look pretty.
Doesn't-
That looks beautiful. And that's why we like to do it in the kitchen.
I would leave that for now.
Okay.
Hey, Dee, I want you to do the one down
Can you
below.
do the bottom one?
That's
Yeah.
what I was just gonna say.
You wanna do the bottom?
Let me do this one here. Let me do this one in front.
One in front. Yeah, you know.
As you can see. Because I don't think you want a chocolate kitchen. I really don't. You want to see this. This is beautiful cherry. That looks nice.
There's no bread in the water already, right?
Yeah, absolutely. Doesn't that look great? Now, Jack, you can throw it. I just wanted to see what a nice brown. Now, Cass, you can just go around. You just go around a couple times with that machine, and then hit it with this, and you're done. That looks pretty rich. I'll go just a hair more here. Just so you can-
I like that.
That'd be all I'd do on that.
I like that.
Look how tight you see the cherry.
I get that.
That's what the tire is. Hopefully they use the top of the wood there, so.
Yeah.
It's more,
This pillar, the wood is not gonna be like this. It's gonna be like this. Look at how beautiful that looks.
Yeah, that looks like paint.
And that looks like a beautiful brown. That's just,
Yeah. I like that personally.
okay.
But that means nothing right now.
I bet you,
Yeah, what does that mean?
I like the old cabinet. Yeah, I do.
the next day we'll come in and they'll say it didn't mean anything, faded red. But I can see the clear coat. Let me put a clear coat on
That's
that.
nice.
And then we'll just let it go down, right? Isn't it beautiful? I'll put a clear coat on it. Okay, so what we did here was we had some light spots on here, and we made a little pigment. This is mixed with mineral spirits, and we just dabbed our brush in and dried it a little bit. And then we just came back and just kind of brushed these in a little bit and just made them blend in a little bit better. Just like that. If we have any really bad spots, we just go like that, even it up.
What color pigment did you use, Dr. Dan?
We used red oxide, yellow, and burnt umber, and with a little bit of mineral. And that's enough to do whatever it is you gotta do. You get in trouble, right? Okay. Well, we sure made this island nice. So anyway, I just want to tell people this is the very best unit you can get. It's a KREMLIN 10-to-1. You can do 50 kitchens a year for 12, 14 years. There's nothing like them. It's not HVLP. HVLP is slow. You'll work yourself to death with an HVLP. So Marino here bought this. He got a really good deal, $2,100, and he got a brand new unit. This is like a $3,500 unit, so you can find them if you look. If you look around, You can get a demo unit or you can get a brand new one that they're trying to get rid of, been in the shop. Great deal. So yeah, these are the air nozzle here. And so when he goes to bleed it through, he turns it off like that.
Got it.
And then this one, you just go like this. And then you can run it, well, you know how to run it through.
Yes.
What about the blue handle?
That's the pressure.
Okay.
And then you bring this up. And that gives you air. And you don't need much air with these. Right there, just, that's all you need. Even